Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
We're out at Smorgasburg in the city. Me and Carmel again. We at it again. By the World Trade Center. And I got my lemon water. It's nice though. Orders. What? Oh, you throw it away?
Fuck yeah.
What is it?
Poison.
Go ahead and get the first
Back
bag.
at it again.
It's so good. I'll feed you, girl. Come on. Open your mouth. Yo, I cannot. That's a big piece. It is. Oily as hell. Oh, it's good. Oily though, but it's good. It's really good though. This one is fattening. It's good.
Like this, I don't have a lot of variety like Saturday and Sunday.
Ooh. That one was very fatty.
It was, right? Mine was like that too.
Brazilian food. That was fattening. That one was fattening.
Not the fat.
The empanadas.
I feel like we had this already.
You did? And the last one?
I went for it.
$14. That's too much. Ooh, that's fat. That's fat fries. She got lamb. Is that lamb? Lamb. Yes, it is. My water done. I'm about to get a got the gumbo right here. Open it up and come back. You know that. Ooh, nice. And then we gonna show y'all the gumbo. Oh, that looks good, girl. What is this again?
Shrimp and crab beignets.
Alright, we're gonna try it now. Oh, got the range. I want to put the sausage in mine. I guess. The sausage tastes good.
Put some more seasoning in it.
Oh, the chicken?
Yeah, it's the chicken and everything.
Yeah, the chicken needs more seasoning for real. I think it was one shrimp. Why do you keep doing this? This is the last time. One.
It's a lot of rice.
Exactly, it was one piece of shrimp. The
Gumbo is usually more saucy.
exactly.
Where's the sauce?
It does not look like how it looked in the picture. One shrimp.
You got the
yo.
one shrimp right.
Bro.
Sorry, y'all.
I like the sausage and the rice. I don't know about the chicken. Chicken is not Seasoned well. Ooh. Oh, hot as hell. It's good. I give it a 8.
Higher rating than the damn gumbo.
Yeah, the gumbo. I'm gonna give the gumbo a 7 because first of all, it's not even saucy.
Giving it a 5.
It's not even saucy. Like, where's the
Gumbo
sauce?
Gumbo and like
There's no sauce. Like, it's dry.
the gumbo was supposed to be on the side of the rice. You know, made with like flour.
Not a sauce. Oh, it's not no Nola gumbo.
With that little bit of kalaloo in it.
What's it supposed to?
Haitian kalaloo, not Jamaican
What
kalaloo.
is that?
Okra.
Oh, yeah, I don't like okra.
I don't like okra either, but when they put it in the gumbo, I eat that bad boy.
I just can't be the consistency. I can't be all of it. So slimy. She's trying this. Oh, wait. Why zoom though? I mean to. You like it?
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, I like it better than the chicken. The gumbo. You got sugar cane over there, sir?
They don't have everything like
Like last time, right?
Like how they gonna have it tomorrow? Let the food digest again.
Yeah, and fresh. Got the piece of fries right here.
Hold that in.
You gotta. Mom, what you said last year? You should have bring one of this, right? You said bring a knife next time.
Facts.
Oh. Alright. She did it already. How it taste? What's ketchup? Ketchup and what? What cheese is this?
It's ketchup and cheese.
What cheese is it?
American.
Would have looked way better in Jamaica.
Take me.
Okay.
I need to take a picture of the other one.
So that's how you go to the back part and give you a nice view from that side.
Y'all all can be teachers.
Oh my god. Too much.
Yeah, I never came, Never came back.
You were scared?
Yeah. I mean, by the time I came back, it was under construction, but I never came back when it was finished.
I didn't even know he was out here. What I came to do? I think I looked it up and said I wanted to go. I think that's what I did. Because I came by myself. I'm trying to live. Yeah, I'm trying to live my life, bro. Life is short. Oh, look at that. See the view I'm talking about. This is so nice. See, that's a first. I don't think I ever felt this type of breeze up here. It's always hot as hell, especially around 85 degrees. It's a nice day.
We went back into the sun. We were in the shaded trees.
Oh, the heat. I'm feeling the 85 degrees now. Oh yeah, the trees for sure helps. You see why the island is the best? What you get?
Oh, you can take a picture with it.
Oh, I ain't doing that. You want a picture?
Not really.
I don't.
Not in front of a gorilla.
Hurry up. Stop it. Gilly and Mark. Okay. I don't even know who they are. And then they got that one back there. I never had that. It's my job, but I never. What's going on right here? Oh, they're shit. Now they're trying to actually. Oh, I thought she was trying to move them. Oh, they chilling over there. They comfortable. It's never. Oh, there was an elephant up there.
That's nice of him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy that one for like
For the churro?
Snicker churro. You would like that?
Walnut? No, she said nothing with nut. Peanut butter. That's too sweet.
Which one?
The peanut butter.
Peanut butter chocolate?
Yeah. What if this? Oh no, can't have that one. Let's go with the raisin. It's more healthy. Oh, this doesn't look good at all. Look at these Yeezys. Look. Oh, yeah. I saw this one on there too. What? What, the shoe?
The writing.
Oh, that's how you know it's not real.
I don't know this shoe like X. I don't have it.
She said the right then.
But I feel like it's supposed to go the other way.
That's how you know it's not real, girl. It was the opposite way. Oh, gyro. Oh. Oh, here, look, it's right here. I think it was this. Was this? I think it was, yeah, there you go. Cucumber lemonade. This is what I had last time. Oh. See? This is it. This is so good. That's what I'm telling you about down there. This one. It's not so good. Go to the mango lemonade. What are you talking about?
Yes.
It's just, how far this thing goes? They're just selling. It's like a street. It's like, yeah. That's what I was about to say. The street fair or something. Is this cookies? Oh, it's a waffle. Huh?
If you love me, nothing make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. Could I love you, cause I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Check it out, love you every day. I'm dancing, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, days. I feel you do this for you every day. When you call, when it's back on your plate. For your love, I go pay.
Shit from Shein and they sell it for more.
I was looking at them. This is cute. We don't know how much it is though. Yeah, they got all of them.
It's not $2 like it should be.
She said she's free in the afternoon, so.
She pulled me back. She said they got that shit from Shein. They're selling it for more. That is true. Oh, they got jerk chicken, jerk pork. Oh. It's crazy. I went to Jamaica. I didn't get no jerk pork. Oh, that looks good.
They make fresh smoothies. I love a smoothie.
Me too, girl. What is that?
Usually I drink one every morning, but let me leave space for my tummy.
Oh, they got corn on the top. What is that? No. Is it good? Oh. No, look at the picture. What's that? What's that? Looking good.
Our truck is going down the block. 2 blocks here. You put in the plate.
God, is that pancake?
I want it.
Sorry.
No jerk pork.
I think they finished. Yeah, they finished. I don't got nothing.
This is who I am. My name is James. Goodway Bakery. We're located in upstate New York. My family's out of the Bahamas. We make over 17 flavors of rum here. Try any flavor you want. Mine are better than yours.
Sure.
Caribbean rum, coconut. You can try anything but chocolate.
Caribbean rum. Get a free sample. Thank you. You're welcome. Ooh, strong. It's good. It's really good.
Thank you.
Hello. You want to try it? A sample?
Which one is that one?
Caribbean rum.
Huh?
Caribbean rum. Try it, girl.
Fine.
You get another sample? Come on. Tastes good. It's strong though. Bought all this thing in the store. Oh, they got the huh? I don't smell. I can smell it. Tom Ford. Oh, they say this one smells good. I'm not even smelling it though. Like
Mademoiselle.
oh. Oh, this smells good. Why do I want to buy this though? This smells so good. Huh?
Probably the best seller.
This smells good, Pano. I think I should get this.
This one is 40.
I try funnel cake, but I don't know. Don't you love hearing that sound? I love it. Don't you love hearing that sound?
What sound?
The siren. I love it. Is that weird?
Yes. I need another juice.
So why didn't you buy this one just up there? Not bad. What is that?